The same question then. Do you feel that the national body is carrying the state and local carrying you along?
Honestly, if that has happened, I'm sure we'll not even get to this.
Is that the core of the issue?
That's the issue. So many things are wrong, and we're just being circumspect in saying this because whatever we put in the public domain will forever be there. And that's why we are not picking all issues that are wrong. Picking him is a good choice. It shows to appear, or it shows to come and discuss some of this issue. He was not even at the meeting, at the harmonization meeting. Because they know that they did not even phone call him, he was telephoned on phone. How would you administer a state and you want the party to be on ground in such an arrangement that you have to be importing people?
I wasn't there. I decided to boycott.
Because why did people? You will be shocked. People are not invited to come and contribute money. People are invited to come and take one position or the other. And out of 31, 19 of them stayed away. You will know that. Sorry. That tells you clearly that the arrangement is so unpopular. It might not. Let me bring up another issue for you to really see what we are saying. Honestly, these are issues I would rather just keep quiet. CPC. This is CPC versus CPC. The state secretary of CPC that was nominated, the name disappeared, and another secretary that never existed in Ondo State was conjured and made to be secretary of CPC. The same thing happened to NPP, and these people say, you cannot be manufacturing secretary for a party that has been in existence, has contested election in that state. That's why I said so many things are wrong.
This is the chairman of
the party.
The secretary.
So he must at least know his secretary. But another secretary was
conjured. What's the name of your secretary?
Fisayo Falarungu.
Okay.
That's not true.
What we have here is Mr.
Maybe he knows better.
So
Mr. Degipe
has been taking
That's for Let me respond to what he has just said.
Gabriel Agbo.
I think he has had his fair chance.
Agbo Kosigiri.
We don't even know him.
He's an unknown entity. Sorry, let me respond. Sorry, please. You will respond. But let me tell you this. It is to avoid this crisis. It is to avoid this crisis that the leadership through Chief Akin said, okay, let's even look beyond all this crisis. All of you, even if we carry gun and fight a civil war, there is no war that has ever ended on the battlefield. It will still end inside the meeting. All of you come. Whatever errors, because honestly, for me, I know it's less of the error of the national people than errors of people who are infiltrators in the process. Because even if Mr. Fashakin had been imported from anywhere, if he has shown some measure of decorum and respect for people's dignity and some modicum of understanding and appreciation of efforts of people, honestly, there will be what is in an interim. People will just say, okay, life goes on, it's just an interim arrangement. But for him to be going and be saying that these people have been sponsored by PDP, I speak better grammar. I speak better English. I make better sacrifices to the party.
Okay, let me ask you. Sorry, 1 second, Mr. Bola. Gabriel Agbo Kosigiri, is he supposed to be your state secretary for CPC?
He's not my state secretary. He is even unknown to the party in entirety.
He's unknown?
He's unknown to the party.
Is this supposed to be the secretary that is recognized by APC as well as the defunct CPC nationally?
Thank you very much.
I just think yes or no.
It's not. Let me explain.
Sorry, you please let me finish.
I've already I've told the National Vice Chairman Southwest that Otumbani Adebayo, I told him pointedly about it. What happened about that case was that
that secretary.
It's a family affair.
That secretary,
on their own side of it.
You know,
he's the one that will tell Adebayo when the state chairman says, "This is my secretary." He is the one. Is he in charge of Ondo State? You see, you must ask that question. How does he come into the picture to determine who is secretary in Ondo State?
We're taking.
I want you to ask that. How does he come into it? I am the chairman. I have not been impeached. I have not been. Please, excuse me, sir.
We cannot continue to have.
Sorry, I'll give you the. Sorry,
thank you.
Sorry about that.
Now, I was a national officer. In the computer database of the National Office for CPC in Abuja, I had cause to speak with the director of admin of the defunct CPC then, that the name of this chairman, this secretary that is still sitting in the computer is wrong. That the correct name is Obaoye. That's Tony Obaoye. That is the.
So the one we have here is wrong.
The one you have that is there is wrong. Yes, it's Tony Obaoye that is the correct.
Very quickly,
that's the one
Tony Obaoye, your secretary.
Tony Obaoye was secretary before
so
he
who
was
is the
eventually
secretary now?
Suspended for anti-party activities.
Okay, so
that's exactly what I'm talking
suspended.
about.
Okay, sorry, we will not sorry.
Part of the administration.
That's the question answered. Now, because we don't have all the time in the world for this conversation, we'd like to get to the bottom of it. What is the way forward for the national body? Way forward in just one or a few sentences.
Thank you. This I have seen as, like I've told you that I've situated, this whole issue, and I've understood clearly that, look, the major thing is there is an interim arrangement, an interim executive. Everybody wants to be part of it, so as to, that's the way of politicians. I'm a politician too. To be able to strategically have some advantage when the substantive executive is now called. That is basically the issue. We cannot dance around. Okay. So what basically we need to say is that do you want? That let's come together again. Bring in more of the members. The ACN people will say that. Look, and
one sentence now. Just one sentence. Yes. What is the top thing that you reckon the national body can do to end what is deemed as a crisis or rift between the national body and the state?
This is a rift.
What is the thing that you can do? Don't analyze it. Just
this is a disagreement of brothers, and I think they should come and join hands with the national body to be able to find an amicable solution to this.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Bola, what is the way forward for you?
Well,
because I'm sure the leaders, sorry, let me finish. The leaders of the party are watching Sunrise this morning, and they will probably be thinking, this is a serious crisis. What is the way forward
for you? At home, I will be glued to Sunrise as well.
Okay.
Now, the way forward for me is this. The starting point, I will take it from this saying, that no man is good enough to rule over others without the requisite consent of the majority. Now, the way forward is to allow the will of the majority in Ondo State to prevail. And that will, before we begin to contest those who are supposed to be on that committee that were not ab initio listed, let us use that committee of 31 to determine who has the majority. We have the majority of that committee, and the will of that majority should be allowed.
Okay, the will. Bola,
for me, I think what is pertinent, and I'm sure that the national leadership are really working on that, is to bring everybody together. It's not to go and join them. We can't say anybody should join them. In fact, that will bring crisis in the state. It's not about joining them, because they can't convene meeting. How many are there? So, as far as we are concerned, is that, and we can't continue to fight ourselves. Let the national leadership call all the groups like it had been done in Lagos. Let the people who are called now elect an interim arrangement. Or better still, we don't really need even interim anything.
registration is the most important thing people want to do. Let people go and register so that we forget all this problem of interim this, interim that, interim this.
Thank you very much. On that
And
note,
legacy
we will
party
have to-
chairman, sorry sir, key
Okay.
is that it is party that merge, not individuals. For that reason, let the legacy party take the lead in whatever we are doing.
So,
Okay, thank you very much. On that note, we will have to wrap up this conversation on Sunrise this morning. Thank you very much, Mr. Rotimi Fashakin, the Interim Publicity Secretary, APC.
Thank you for having me.
Olalekan Obola, who's a member of All Progressive Congress,
Pleasure is mine.
and also Bola Ilori, who's also involved in the State Registration Committee as well.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much for the conversation. Sunrise is not going away. We're hoping that APC will put its house in order. But conversation is not through yet, Alera. We still have a few more to go. So please don't go away.